Hi everybody, this is a video about how to make a graph. Step 1, start with a data table. I collected data about how much time it took for a cart to travel to the end of a table. I changed how much mass was on the cart. First level of my experiment was 0 bars, 1 bar, and 2 bars. 0 bars took 0.92 seconds, 1 bar took 1.12 seconds, and 2 bars took 1.28 seconds. I need a data table to make my graph because each column of my data table is going to turn into a point on my graph. Alright, so here's my data table, here's my graph. I'm going to write my graph just like I interpret it. So I'm going to start with a title. I'm going to make a mass versus time graph. I'm going to put my mass down here on the x-axis where my independent variable goes. So I'm going to label it mass, number of bars. And I know that I have 0, 1, and 2. Over here on the y-axis, I'm going to set up my time. And looking at this data, I know that it starts at 0.92 and it ends at 1.28. So I want to set up a range for this axis that includes all of my values. So I'm going to start at 0.8, 0.9, 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. I'm going to put a little tick mark for each of those numbers, and each of those numbers is in seconds. So I've actually got most of a graph right here. I've got values and labels for my x-axis, values and labels for my y-axis, and a title, and a data table. So now the graph itself is a piece of cake. I like color coding, so I'm going to make this bar green. 0 bars went 0.92, took 0.92 seconds, so that's right around here. So I'm going to take my green pen and I'm going to say 0.92 seconds. And I label it. My middle, my 1 bar, I'm going to make that yellow. That one took 1.12 seconds. So that's 1.12. So just a little bit farther, I'm going to put it right out here. And color that in. 1.12 seconds. Finally, my last bar, I'm running out of colors, I'm going to make that the red bar. That took 1.28 seconds. So that's 1.2. 1.28 is almost 1.3, so it's going to be all the way up here. Oh, I just saw all my other colors. 1.28 seconds. And now I have a graph. I've got my title, I've got my labels, and I've got my bars, and I can interpret it. I can say as mass increases, time to travel 2 meters, because that's how far the cart was traveling in my experiment, increases. And I have my independent variable and my dependent variable, and I have addressed both of them in my interpretation. Which I have also called a claim. Hope this is helpful, and most importantly, I hope you have a lovely weekend. Bye-bye.